Sony HandyCam tutorial. This video is created for Byron FTC and FRC Robotics students. Section 1. Charging HandyCam batteries. Section 2. Proper safety. Section 3. Operating HandyCams. Section 4. Changing lens. Section 1. This is the charger that we use with the HandyCam batteries. Never attempt to use a third-party device to charge the batteries. These chargers are located in the Ziploc bag with the HandyCams. To place the battery on the charger, line up the contacts with the charger. Set the battery onto the charger and slide it into place. A yellow light will come on. When the yellow light goes out, the battery is finished charging. Section 2. Never place HandyCam batteries near water or extreme heat. Always hold charger by the plastic, never grip it by the metal contacts. Section 3. To install a battery into the camera, ensure the contacts are facing up. Slide it all the way into the back of the camera and push up until it clicks into place. To turn on the HandyCam, flip the switch located on the right side next to the record button. You can view the video by looking into the camera or by using the screen located on the left side. To record video, press the red button by the power switch. To zoom, gently grip the midsection of the lens and turn it to the left or right to zoom in and out. To remove a battery, pull back on the release switch, push it down, and slide it out. Section 4. To remove a lens, push down on the release button and turn it upward until it slides off. Always put the protective cover on the camera's sensor when a lens is removed. Never touch the camera's sensor or the ends of the lens.